Can you solve the most frequently asked array coding question that appears at every single company? So given an array and a value k, return the k most frequent elements in the array. Let's say we're given this array with k equal to 2, we have the following elements and its frequency. The top two most frequent elements are 1 and 2. Let's go over the thought process. We will need a way to keep track of the frequency of each element. What we can do is to create a hash map to keep track of elements and its frequency. Now, since there are n elements in the array, the possible frequencies of each element is from 0 to n. What we can do is to create an array where each index represents the frequency of the elements, and the values can be a list of elements that has the frequency. Then we can iterate through the array from the right side to pick the k most frequent elements. Let's implement the function top k frequent, taking the array and k, create the map to keep track of the frequency, the buckets, and the resulting list. Iterate through the frequency starting from the largest value. Iterate through the elements with this frequency. Add the elements to our results. If the size of result is equal to k, break from the outer loop, return results. Now let's implement the function getFrequency, taking an array, create the map, iterate through the elements, increment the frequency of the current elements, return the map. And lastly, implement the function createBuckets, taking the map and the length, create the buckets, iterate through the indices, initialize the buckets, iterate through the elements, place the elements into the bucket based on the frequency, return buckets.